Hi, Mr. Pollard here and welcome to the channel. This is part of a series of flipped learning micro videos on grammar essentials. Today I want to talk to you about auxiliary and modal verbs. So take a moment to read through these sentences and think about what is the function of the underlined words. The underlined words then are what we call auxiliary verbs. Think of them as kind of helping verbs. They will always be with a main verb and offer helpful information about it. For example, he is walking in the park at the moment. Here, the auxiliary verb is telling us when he is walking, i.e. presently. Now, there are 5 different types of auxiliary verb. There's the passive be. This is used to form passive constructions such as the cat was owned by Persephone, the new Pixar movie was being watched by Joanne and Jane, the 2 chemical elements were added to the saline solution. So this is to create what we call a passive voice as opposed to the active voice. I've done a video on that which I'll link in a moment. The next type is the progressive be. This expresses an action that is in progress, as in, he is cooking dinner for us all right now. He was watching a new spy movie on Netflix. She is writing her second novel at the moment. So next type is the perfective have. This is used to express an action completed in the past, but which retains current significance or relevance. And it can be past, present, or future, as in, she had done all the paperwork. He has done all his homework. Yuan will have finished her schoolwork by tomorrow. We then have modals. These express prediction, ability, obligation or permission. They're things such as can, could, may, might, must, shall or should or would. For example, you can have the white chocolate magnum if you want. I must get round to completing that job application. Might it be possible for me to borrow your pen for 5 minutes? Next one is referred to as the dummy do. And it's used to add emphasis, as in, I do love dark chocolate, or to give an order, do not leave any machinery in the van overnight. Use it to form negative statements, I do not like watching horror movies, or to form questions, as in, do you want to go out for dinner this evening? So, common errors and how to avoid them. So an error might be, Jae-eun's new toys is broken, which should be, Jae-eun's new toys are broken. Notice the difference in auxiliary verb there. So the subject here, Jae-eun's new toys, is plural, so the auxiliary verb must be plural so that there is agreement. That's what we mean by subject-verb agreement. So an error here, Gareth and Hugh is playing on their new Nintendo, should be, Gareth and Hugh are playing on their new Nintendo. The subject, Gareth and Hugh, obviously is plural, there's 2 of them. So the auxiliary verb must also be plural so that there is agreement there. And just take a moment to have a little look at this example here. The snow is a non-countable noun. You can't have 1 snow, 2 snow, etc. So it has to be considered singular. So is should be used to ensure that there is agreement between the subject and the verb. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you can get more new content, and please do check out other videos in this micro video grammar series. See you next time on the Mr. Pollard YouTube channel. Goodbye.